Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Gassed on Track 2025. Now, you'll notice this isn't a British touring car event. No, because we are on our summer break. However, what we are going to do is we are going to do 2 specific races, even though I just held up 4 fingers.
And cut.
Right then, chaps. So, on 3, 2, 1, a tandem away then, chaps. Now, for those that don't know, tandem is basically the Latin ballroom expression in motorsports. Axel pressing right up against Nick's cart there, doing a brilliant job. Oh, look at this, they're absolutely parallel. Axel having a bit more of an aggressive angle and even swapping the gap. Oh, and showing off through the barrier. Oh, he's off to Belgium. Oh, that's brilliant. They couldn't even complete 2 laps. Not really great for a professional drifter there, nor a touring car driver. Look, he's now put his cap backwards. He thinks he's young, cool and hip. But he is in his 60s, so that's definitely not going to happen. Oh, look, they just want an extra lap because they were utterly terrible. We'll give them an extra lap because, you know, I'm nice like that. Yeah. Coming back round, they are doing very, very well. John, how do we feel? Do we think we're going to beat them? Yeah, John's quietly confident. All right then, chaps, you've had your 2 laps. Nick's crashed out as well. Beautiful little 360 from Axel to finish this off. Nick wants to go into the spin dryer and clearly wants to throw up after making me nearly throw up in the GT3 RS earlier. Oh, crumbs. So Nick's now really going to try and make me feel sick. Follow me on. Right, there we go.
Let's go.
Stay like this. Then we pull the handbrake. Go. Look at that. Yes, stay right there. Stay right there. Good man. Oh, yes, easy peasy. Look at this. You don't need an arms to drive a crazy car. Look at this. Absolutely stuck together like glue. Oh, fabulous. Come on, stick with me, John. Stick with me. Yes. Come on. Oh, delicious. Let's just have a celebratory victory lap. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. There we go. Right, 360 to finish. Oh, yes. Right, ladies and gentlemen, who do you believe won that? Was it the professional drivers or the dunces that do this for fun? By raises of hands, the people who thought it was the professional drivers, who do you think won? And do you think it was me and John that won? Can we have some more crowd participation than that? Do you think John and I won? Perfect, thank you very much. Right there, chaps. I think your ARDS license are now ours. Oh, you want to do a 4-way tandem?
Oh my god!
Ooh, all right then, sailor. Let's see if we can do this. Let's go, let's see what we can do.
Let's go.
Come on then. 4-way drifting. Oh, there we go. Oh god, this is it's utterly brilliant. Go on, stick it through the bridge. This is the technical section. Oh, this is so good. Nick, what's your angle there, darling? No, it's all gone wrong. I'm taking the lead. Catch up. Come on, fat boy. I'm just too good. They can't keep pace. Come on. Hurry up, John. There we go. Nice little hit. Come on. 4 abreast. Much better. Much better. There we go. Come on. Yes. Fabulous. See, as Clarkson would say, how hard can it be? Oh, right. Last lap then, chaps. Keep pace if you can. 360. After the tandem drifting event, it turns out people with ARDS licenses are no good at tandem drifting, and if you just do crazy karts quite a lot, you're clearly quite good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go into the demolition derby. All of the people around the arena of chaos are now going to have the opportunity to launch inflatable balls at these lovely people, and unfortunately myself as well. We've got a bridge, we've got some other cardboard boxes, and basically this is where somebody is going to break their nose. Let's have some fun. Goodbye. 5 laps, you're in charge. Ready? Go! Oh no! How did the fat man get a good start? Right, I'm not having that. Right, I'm in last place, but I will come back. Cheating. Oh my god! There we go, out of the way. Right, come on. I have a theory. Don't use the handbrake and just go as fast as you can. Oh, there we go, I'm going for 3rd. John's taking out Axel. Yes, I'm into 2nd place. Nick slowed down. Oh, he's in 1st. Yes. Oh, my ego is inflating massively right now. Come on. They can't keep up with me. Look at this pace. Clearly, Instagram followers is more important than a professional racing license. How many more laps have we got? 2 more laps. Oh, I've got it. Oh, look, I can just relax at this point. Oh, James, I hate you. No! I got it. Yes, it's fine. I've been knocked down to third place. Axel, the pro drifter, way out in front. Oh, there goes a GoPro. That was a GoPro. It is no more. There goes it again. That's completely broken. Like my last relationship, it is in the weeds. Oh, jeez, crumbs. It feels like we're on the M25 now. Nick thinks he's on the M25. There we go. And Axel with the victory. Beautiful. Crash to finish. Oh, super. Oh, does anybody else feel slightly car sick? How does it feel to, well, not only win at Goodwood, but now when it's Silverstone, you are becoming a bit of a champion here at Crazy Cars.
I think this is my calling.
Just been off the 940 in the Corvette, and this is what you really need.
Yeah, it's a lot more, I guess it's a lot cheaper and probably a lot more fun, to be honest.
Okay, so thank you very much for coming along, but I have something that you actually need. I'd like to present you with your brilliant steering wheel trophy. He has silverware at Silverstone. How does it feel to get some silverware there, sir?
I've never had silverware at Silverstone, so this is probably my only opportunity.
Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for watching along at home. Thank you, everybody, for enjoying this. You've been brilliant. This has been GAST 2025 for the summer break for the British Touring Cars. Most importantly, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see you up at Croft and as you were.